Okay, so having broken step G, making the previous video, I may as well try and do it again with a better angle to show the swash. So I'm going to take the servo arm off to make a pretend best fit job of doing that. I hope that shows off level. I don't think I can go much more than that. Go on, I'll do 2 splines. Okay, so that's definitely off level. And right now I'm in flight mode. So imagine I was just going to go into the setup and that was as near as I could get them anyway, but you can see I'm in flight mode. So I'll select setup step G. So I've just gone into G and I'm in the reference position. So it's theoretically the center as issued by the Beast X, and theoretically I've got my arms as near as I can, the spline, as near as I can on the splines, but obviously I'm way out in actual fact. But I'll cycle round to the left hand aileron servo so that I can make a correction now to that. So rudder, that was twitching the front or elevator, that was twitching the right hand one, and this is now twitching the left hand aileron servo, which I'll adjust with the rudder. Okay, I can't get any nearer than that, but let's, because I moved 2 splines out. So let's assume that is level. Hopefully on the video it does look reasonably level. And at the moment obviously I've got the blue light on, which represents this servo. I'll now cycle back to light off, which is now back in the reference position, which is clearly horrible. And I'll now exit step G by pressing the button, and you'll see it jump to level as I do so. So 3, 2, 1, go. And now you can see it's jumped to that approximated level that I had. As I say, that was as near as I could get it, I was so far out. And then I'll cycle through right the way back to flight mode. There you saw the swash twitch, and I can now move reasonably level throughout the range. Now if we go back into step G, okay, gone back to the reference position, which is horribly off level. I'll move to 1 servo position, it goes to level. You can twitch it all the way around, reference position, do the same again, reference position, light off. Now there's a light on, it happens to be the purple light. And now what will happen if I press the button to move on to step H, you'll see that the swash doesn't move at all because it uses the trimmed centers for step H. There you go, I pressed the button, moved on to step H, absolutely no movement whatsoever. But that position is exactly the same position that it jumped to when I left the step, by doing it from the reference position, light off, which we can do again just to reinforce the point. There's the reference position. I can do what I want with the trimming of the servo. I'll go back to that servo, trim it, call that good because this is as good as I can get it anyway. Cycle back to light off, horrible again, and when I press to move to step H, it will jump to level. There you go. Okay, cheers, bye.